in today's Vlogmas.
Subscribe now.
Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. So I'm getting ready to make the bed. Pajama pants on. So you can say hey to the vlog? No, she's still sleepy. Okay, let's see what my brother's doing over here. It's fell asleep. Let's see from the line that fell asleep. Crispy. I'm also going to be doing some cheddar rice, cooked cheddar rice on the side. Let's do the second batch on right now. This is what the dinner is looking like so far. And so I'm gonna start cleaning. And I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas day 4, day 5 and 6 today. Because I cannot post that one. So hey guys, so I had to stop cooking the chicken real quick, just for the food and come check on baby boy. Say hey baby. So she's over here. So yeah, I had to come in and check on him instead of crying. So I'm about to just rock him. I think he's been sleepy, so I'm about to rock him to sleep. I have to finish editing some videos for Vlogmas. And yeah, guys. So I hope that you really try this recipe for this chicken. It is so freaking good, so freaking amazing. I'm gonna have all the ingredients put in the description box down below. And I really hope that you try it out. It's so good. I hope my husband likes it when he wakes up and eats, because I think he'll really like it. Yeah, so yeah, and I hope that y'all enjoyed the video that we did today. We did my daughter does my makeup challenge, and it was so fun to film. My makeup actually came out really good. And Circa's only 4 years old, so yeah, she's gonna make a very good 4-year-old. What are you doing over there?